Hi friend, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is a short little SLG haul from I Love Dooney, and I believe I talked about doing this the other day. I finally got in the other box, so I have the two boxes, just 3 items, but some things that I'm really happy about getting. Here is the first box, and this one has 2 items in it, and I got these things for really good prices. First of all, I got the Dooney Umbrella. How cute is this? It has all the little ducks on it. I just thought this was super, super cute. I like the size. It's not huge, but it's not tiny either. So I thought this was just really, really cute. This is the next one. This is going to match my bag that I got in my birthday haul. If you haven't seen that, I will link it up here. I think it was the last video I did, maybe. So this will match that, and that is a bag for work. So you can kind of see through the paper there what it is. This is called the Go Cosmetic Case. So they have one that's clear in this same print. I decided to get the black one for the bag that I got for my birthday. And I'm going to put like my markers and stuff. So all of my whiteboard markers, my pens, pencils, and stuff that I need for class, I'm going to put in here. And since it's this plastic, I don't even know what material that is, then it'll be able to be wiped clean, which I appreciate. It is pretty cool though that it has a leather pull tab, so that's pretty nice. Still a really nice zipper. The inside is completely black, so no print on the inside, no pockets or anything like that, which is fine with me. I just kind of want a place to kind of dump all of the markers and writing utensils into. So this was regular $68. I did not pay that. We're having a pretty good sale, 30% off, and I believe I got free shipping. And just so you know, if you're ever curious about any of the things that I talk about, I almost always link them below for you, okay? So you can always check out the description box and find the list of things that I've talked about. Sometimes I'll put, you know, the hair that I'm wearing or the makeup I'm wearing or whatever. So that's always down below. Also, ways to get in touch with me are down below too. So always check that out. The next thing, so it came in its own box. It comes in a gift box, which is pretty nice. And I did get this for a specific reason, and I'll show you in just a second. So here we go. Gosh, it already smells good. I don't even have it open. And here we go. So a really pretty wallet. This is the color taupe. I purchased this for this bag. So I think it's a little bit darker, huh? Just a tad bit darker. But, you know, I've said this before, I'm not matchy-matchy about my accessories, but when I saw this and saw that it came in taupe and it was a really good price, I decided to go ahead and get it. I like that it has the gold hardware, just like this one does. It's a smooth leather. I feel like maybe it's the Wexford, maybe it's the same leather. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Unfortunately, there's nothing on either of those tags. I'll show you the tag that's on the inside here. And like I said, I'll link it down below if it's still available. But here's the tag. So we have, is this a Trifold Wallet, I guess? So you have the ID slot there, and then card slots here and here. 8 card slots plus the ID. And then we have a compartment there, a compartment there, the bill compartment there, the change compartment there, and then there's even a little compartment on the back. I just looked at my receipt here, and this is called the Flap Wallet. And it says unit price $36.17, so I guess I paid $36 for this one. So for the cosmetic case, this was $19, $19.06. The umbrella was $14.17, and just so you know, this is the multi-duck umbrella, regular $48. And then the flap wallet. I don't know what the regular price is for this one, but it was $36. So I don't think I have this wallet in any other colorway. I think this is my first one. So if you want a review or anything on this wallet, just let me know and I'll do it. I'll probably move into it pretty quickly. What am I using now? Yeah, so I'm still in this Olivia here, and I've been using this Coach, if you want to call it a Louis Vuitton print knockoff. That's what it is, but I've been using this. I'm not super happy with it. I'm like, I mean, I guess men like it, but it hasn't been horrible. I just don't love it. Not a big deal. But I think I probably will go ahead and change into this just because I really do like this. I think it's super pretty. But like I said, super short, super sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.